If you're a pod seller, you probably already know how important product visuals are. But creating a design, making realistic mockups, and then turning those images into videos can take a lot of time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a simple POD pattern into a realistic product mockup and then transform it into a professional product video using EHunt. Let's start with a POD design. First, open EHunt's AI Mockup Generator. Here, you can upload your pattern and the product image you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this design and apply it to a t-shirt. Once you've uploaded your design and product image, let EHunt do the work. The AI Mockup Generator applies your pattern to the product and creates a ready-to-use mockup. This is especially useful for POD sellers because you don't need to manually edit the design onto every product image. You can repeat the process to create multiple product visuals for the same design. Now, instead of having just one static product image, we have several images that we can use to showcase the product from different angles. Now comes the fun part. Let's turn these static mockups into a video. Open EHunt's Etsy Video Generator and upload the product images we just created. You can drag and drop the images to arrange the order and create a simple product showcase. To make the video more engaging, you can add transitions and zoom effects between your product images. You can also add your shop logo, adjust its position and opacity, and keep your branding consistent throughout the video. And the best part is that you don't need advanced video editing skills. And that's it. We've just turned a simple pod pattern into product mockups, and then transformed those mockups into a professional product video. If you're a POD seller looking for a faster way to create product content, try EHunt and turn your designs into content that's ready to showcase. That's all for today. See you next time.